Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Politically Correct Ghana lesson 350, and today the 11th of January 2026. We want to talk of something that's topical, that's annoying, that will receive insults, and reactions will be full of insults, or a lot will be full of insults. That's not the arrogance of the Otumfuo, but the Otumfuo has committed an offense, traffic offense, and he has to be arrested and prosecuted. The Otumfuo has committed a traffic offense, a road traffic offense. He has to be arrested and prosecuted. All right. The Otumfuo Osei Tutu II of Ashanti region, on the 6th of January 2026, he visited the Inspector General of Police, that's in the person of Christian Teteyo, and he went in with a motorcade and siren. The law, motorcade and siren, you see in the video, the law of Ghana, the road traffic regulations, the amended one, and the previous existing one, and the amended one, does not permit him to be driven in a motorcade and a siren. Does not. He's not one of the listed persons to be on the motorcade and siren. So Otumfuo, please stop using sirens and motorcade, because this case is going to court. We're going to take you to court. We want to run you through the criminal justice system so that you learn to live within the law and under the law. You are not above the law. You are not above the law. Please, Otumfuo, take note. You are not above the law. So we have to run you through, and you have to face the criminal justice system appropriately. This is not a monarchy. This is a Republic of Ghana. This is not United Royal Kingdom or United Kingdom of Ghana. No, this is Republic of Ghana. So you'll be run through the criminal justice system appropriately, because I'll be going to court on this particular case. And then if you're not lucky, you face your nemesis, the judge, on the other side in court. All right. I'm not threatening you. Not that I'm threatening you. It's not that my tone is a bit higher, but I don't think that you did the right thing, because you're serving as a bad example to the public. Anyone who drives with a motorcade will be arrested, but you drive with a motorcade and you are not listed on those who are to drive on a motorcade, and you cannot be spared. The law is no respecter of persons. It doesn't select. It's not selective. It's clear and straight. All right. That's one side of it. So I would expect the IGP to have told him, to have told Otumfuo that, look, you did the wrong thing, and you should have stopped him earlier. The following day, the Otumfuo went to the Bank of Ghana to advise the governor as on state visit. So I don't know whether it's a state visit or a visit to the Bank of Ghana to have a chat to the governor of Bank of Ghana. And I'm like, how was he allowed? Because this is an individual who in 2017 was alleged to have, the case even went to court, to have been involved in money laundering. How can a person who is involved in money laundering in the United Kingdom now come to Ghana and come and advise you, the Bank of Ghana governor? He hasn't got the reputation. You see, the Otumfuo hasn't got any good reputation. His reputation is soiled. Meaning that you have to question the integrity. Whatever is coming to tell you, he may be what? Trying to lord over you and then abuse the system. That's what it can be. Because the person hasn't got a reputation. His integrity is questionable. He was alleged involved in money laundering. So such a person shouldn't be seen right in the Bank of Ghana, talking or in any discussion with the governor of the Bank of Ghana or the Bank of Ghana officials. Don't forget, not long ago, one Bank of Ghana governor had to resign because the in-law, the son-in-law, was involved in drugs. So how come a money laundering person in the name of Otumfuo Osei Tutu come to you and then make a chat with you? You're putting the reputation of the Bank of Ghana in jeopardy. And by the way, that is just the other bit. We'll be looking at some of this Otumfuo's extension. He looks like wanting to run a parallel government. He looks like wanting to run a parallel government. He goes and then he goes to IGP on the 6th of January 2026 with a motorcade and a siren, which is illegal. Then he is given what? A kind of guard. He has to inspect guard. That I'll leave to the IGP for whatever reason. I don't want to know. Is he running a parallel government with the president of Ghana? Who voted him? Anybody can be a monarch. The only criteria for being a monarch is just by virtue of birth and nothing more. But not anybody can be a president. And the people decide who becomes their president, and nobody decides who becomes a monarch. It's just by birth. And that's it. The name is Hate Kwame Afaglu. Otumfuo will take you to court, and you will be brought to court in Accra to face the law for flouting the road traffic regulations on use of siren and then motorcade. You could insult me, it doesn't matter, but whatever it is, let's look at the law. The law is sacrosanct and everybody is under the law. Thank you.